Hey everybody, welcome to Masscom versus Bowling. Today we got the boys bowling team with us.
I'm Josh Homer.
I'm Gabe Clark.
I'm Tomas Delf.
I'm Vedanta Maladkar, a.k.a.
I'm Peyton White.
And I'm Casey Lippincott.
Let's get started.
Oh my God.
Listen, y'all aren't allowed to go. I'm not good at bowling.
There you go, Bernard. Oh! Hey! There you go, Casey.
It's going pretty good. We haven't yet to lose a match. We've only lost 2 tournaments. We won 5 in a row and then came in second place, so I think it's doing pretty all right.
So far, so good. We've lost 2 tournaments. It was our first tournament we bowled in this year, and then our most recent one, we got second place. We went on a 5-tournament win streak, and as for matches go, we bowl 2 matches against every GWOC team, and we are 8-0 right now. Looking to continue that.
The season's going really good so far. We have won 5 straight tournaments in a row. The most recent one we got second place in. With conference-wise, so far we haven't lost another conference game in 2 years. We're on a 31-game win streak, so hopefully we can continue that. It should be a good rest of the season. My greatest achievement that I've received is Rookie of the Year my freshman year, and my freshman year we also won our first state title.
My greatest achievement has probably been last year I was MVP of the team, and I finished 27th at Nationals.
My greatest achievement personally would be when I was Bowler of the Year. I had like a 228 average and I was first place, and yeah, that was pretty good.
Oh, you might get another one.
For this game, we're getting a little bit of a handicap. We only need 6 pins to strike. However, the bowling team will need to play regularly.
My highest score was last year I bowled 279. Next high is probably like a 270, but I consistently sit around 200 right now.
My highest score is a 300 I bowled during the summer league, and I bowled 2 300s, but one was in practice.
My high score is 299. Came a little short.
My high score was a 289, and somehow I've never shot in a 300, and that's pretty depressing, right? I'm pretty depressed. So.
Oh my God! There you go, Peyton White. A dodge! Oh!
For me, what got me in bowling is just my friends here. Sophomore year, I quit basketball and I just hung out with these guys and they're all bowling, so I just decided to try it out, and turns out I'm pretty good.
I just started bowling for fun the summer before freshman year, and since then I just tried out for the team, and the rest is history.
My grandpa got me into it when I was roughly 2 years old, so I've been bowling around him forever, roughly 15 years, and he's just always been part of my bowling career, my bowling life.
So I used to live in Sydney, Ohio. It's a very small town. They had like a 6-lane bowling alley. And when I lived in a house, we had bowling balls, and it used to be donated to anybody, and I picked one up, and it was just like from there on, it was fun.
Oh my God. Walk that off.
I think it's really fun, in my opinion. It's not like how you think it is. Most people say that it's kind of boring, it's easy to do, but it's actually a lot harder than it looks. It's a lot of mental preparation, being consistent, going to practice. There's a lot of different components that go into bowling, like how you swing your ball, the core of the ball, the axis rotation, all this stuff plays into bowling. It's a lot more complex than what people make it seem.
Bowling's just a really fun game to play. Anyone can do it. You can just hook a ball down the lane and see how many pins you get. It's really how you start, and the more you do it, the more fun it gets, the more interested you get. But there's a lot of science behind it that no one really knows, and it's fun to learn about.
It's a really easy gym credit. Also, it's fun to get into. It's fun to learn more about it because it's such an in-depth sport that gets more difficult the more you get into it.
When you start out, it's pretty easy. Like, I just came to bowling trials and just trolled. I showed up in a headband and arm sleeve, and it's pretty easy, in my belief. I think these guys are lying about the science part, but I just chuck the ball down the lane and it strikes pretty often. So
Thank you all for joining us. I'm Ian,
I'm Angie. I'm Lewis.
and that was Mascom versus Bowling.